To make my window, I've got one of these silicone moulds that you just fill completely with polymer clay or whatever clay that you want. But for this mould, I'm going to be using hot glue, and I'm just filling the places that are indented. All these raised sections here and here, I'm leaving vacant so that my piece, when I take it out the mould, it looks like that. And now I want to make stained glass windows that are going to go behind it. So I'm taking some packaging. I've just got this big piece of plastic, which I'm going to be cutting a small piece from. And then I've got different colour nail polishes that I'm going to be using. So I've got blue, green, purple and orange. And I'm just going to make a little bit of a pattern to go into my little window. I've got my small piece, and as you can see, it's got quite a lot of fingerprints on it and oily residue. So I'm taking some isopropyl alcohol and a cotton pad, and I'm just going to clean that before I start putting my design on. I've got a fine tipped permanent black marker, and I'm using my cutting mat so that I can draw the lines how I want to. So I've just marked the center one for going down that way and the center one going across there. You can do whatever design that you want. I'm just going to join those lines. And then I'll just check and see if they're lining up according to how I want them to. And now I'm going to line up the next one. And then just draw those lines in as well. So I've got all my lines drawn in, which are the main ones, and now I'm just going to put the pattern lines in. I've drawn my pattern designs in, and now I'm going to take the nail polish and paint all those. I've finished painting the design that I like, and now I'm just going to wait for that to dry. It looks rather messy on the camera, but it's actually really, really beautiful in real life. I was going to paint it black. So there's my little stained glass window with the lights on. And that's the little stained glass window that we just made without the lights on. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.